Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 豚ともやしのピリ辛炊き込みご飯。It's rice cooked with pork and bean sprout, and I'm making it a bit spicy. Very easy to make, but filling and delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the rice, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 200 grams each of bean sprout and pork, any part you like, but it's thinly sliced. 1.5 tablespoons each of soy sauce and gochujang, Korean spicy paste. 1 tablespoon each of sake, sesame oil and sesame seeds, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat that 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Cover with the lid and let it sit for half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's prepare the pork. It's thinly sliced, but it's a bit big. So let's cut it into small pieces so that you can have pork in every bite. Let's put it in a bowl. And all these seasonings also into the bowl. Sake, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and gochujang, Korean spicy paste. Give it a good mix. Cover it and just let it sit until the rice is ready. It's been soaked for half an hour, so it's time to cook. Let's spread the pork all over the rice. No need to mix it in, just put it on top. Then, bean sprout. Cover with the lid and bring it to boil over medium to medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it steam for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. Steam for 10 minutes. Let's add the sesame seeds. Mix and fluff the rice. Serve in the rice bowl. And 豚と豆もやしの炊き込みご飯 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The rice soaked up the pokey flavor. It's so rich and so good. The bean sprout add nice texture to it and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚ともやしの炊き込みご飯 goes here, and potato miso soup or any soup you like here. The rice is rich, so let's pass the main. I think I want to have little more protein, so let's have spinach and egg salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!